The Share the Road campaign, the first of its kind in Trinidad and Tobago, was launched on March 1, 2015 by the Ministry of Works and Infrastructure in conjunction with the Trinidad and Tobago Cycling Federation. For many years, cyclists have been intimidated by ignorant motorists or injured in accidents, thus deterring them from engaging in this sport for leisure or competition. As a result, members of the TTCF approached the Ministry of Works for assistance.
We've been trying to get this for so many years. Lo and behold, we were invited to a meeting in Mr. Rambachan's office, and Mr. Cadiz was there, and the announcement was made that a cycling lane will be established around the Queen's Park Savannah. And instructions were given by the minister that this thing must happen without delay.
After careful evaluation by the Ministry of Works Traffic Management Branch, it was determined that an actual cycle lane, a 24-hour designated lane, could not be granted due to limited capacity. However, the regulated use of inner lanes of the QPS for both cyclists and motorists was introduced as a compromise.
It was determined that an actual 24-hour cycle lane could not be given. However, but the use of the inner lane on the Queen's Park Savannah by cyclists can be accommodated by the Traffic Management Branch. The Traffic Management Branch was in close consultation with Mr. Edghill and other cyclists from the fraternity to determine the frequency or time of day that riders actually use the Queen's Park Savannah. The information was gathered and compared to existing traffic counts, and it was determined that at the following times that we the motorists must share the road with the cyclists. So from Monday to Friday, 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. and 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. And on Saturday and Sundays and public holidays, 5 a.m. to 9 a.m.
Therefore, motorists are being encouraged to share the road with cyclists and to change lanes or use outer lanes to pass the cyclists instead of forcing cyclists to move off the roadway to pass. The Ministry of Works and Infrastructure would like to urge motorists to extend courtesy and respect to cyclists and all road users.
You must respect the cyclists, no matter where they are, not only on the Queen's Park Savannah. This is just the first area that we are dedicating it to them. But on all other areas across the country, motorists must share the road with cyclists.
According to the Minister of Works and Infrastructure, Dr. Suraj Ratan Rambachan, this initiative is part of the government's broader effort to promote sport development.
Ladies and gentlemen, what is happening here this morning is part of a broader effort on the part of the government of Trinidad and Tobago to deal with sporting facilities and with the sporting community. And as you know, there are some major projects just about being completed and which will be open very soon. Roger Gibbon mentioned the National Cycling Velodrome in Couva. If you have not had an opportunity to see it, it's worth seeing. It's first class, it's first world, and it's, you know, the standard of that is Olympic standard. You also have the Aquatic Center. The Aquatic Center is again a world-class facility that's just nearing completion. The National Tennis Center in Tacarigua, which is another major project. And between these three projects, you have over $1 billion of investments that have taken place.
For us at the Cycling Federation, what it did is created an opportunity for us to start our grassroots program to the elite level progress, where we're going to definitely need lanes like these to start what we call come out and ride, so we can create talent pool. As Roger said, you know, and Minister Hadid, this is where any and everybody could come out and ride. So it's gonna serve a twofold purpose, whereby wellness is gonna be taken care of, and also we're going to create a talent pool.
Personally, I would like to thank the ministry for agreeing to provide this lane, this space, this hopefully in the future safe space for cycling in Port of Spain. And I am, as I say, I am exhilarated that we have it, and we have been blessed with it, and now we have to make sure that it becomes safer until even families can come out and ride here during the allocated times.
The Ministry of Works and Infrastructure is pleased to have introduced the Share the Road campaign that underscores safety, courtesy to all road users. The Ministry of Works and Infrastructure would like to thank all stakeholders involved in this initiative.